These roads are icy.
Oh, be careful.
Maybe I didn't love you.
Oh, sweet. It's Willie Nelson.
Oh, my
often as I
favorite.
could have. Maybe I didn't treat you quite as good as I should have. And if I made you feel second best,
Girl, I'm sorry I was blind.
You were always on my mind. You were always on my mind. Maybe I didn't hold you all those lonely, lonely nights. I guess I never told you that I'm so happy that you're mine. And little things I should have said and done, I just never took the time. But you were always on my mind. You were always on my mind. And tell me that your sweet love hasn't died. And give me one more chance to keep you satisfied. I'll keep you satisfied. Little things I should have said and done, I just never took the time. You were always on my mind. You were always on my mind.
Thank you, NANABOOZHOO. BOOZHOO! Gakina Awia. Hello, everybody. And yeah, today I'm standing in our holodeck and gonna use this thing to help teach the Ojibwe language lesson of the day. So, computer, boop, boop, boop. Please run computer simulation of Dugwagon. Boop, boop, boop. Dugwagon. Autumn. Let's see, I think I have that down here. Dugwagon. Autumn. This is the time of year where the leaves get bright. What day bugga, bright leaves. Sometimes we call this time of year the bright leaves moon. What day bugga Jesus. The leaves start to change because it's Dugwagon. Soon the leaves will fall. And it'll cool off. Dagashi. Dagashi. Cooled by wind. Benakwi. And the leaves will start to fall. Benakwi. We call October Benakwi Jesus. The falling leaves moon. Dugwagon. Autumn. And these have been just a few Ojibwe words of the day. Computer. Boop, boop, boop. And computer simulation of autumn. Boop, boop, boop. Huh? That's pretty cool.
Smiling girls and rosy boys coming by my little toys. Monkeys made of gingerbread and sugar horses painted red. Richmond's children running fast, their fathers dressed in holes. Golden hair and mud of many acres on their shoes. Gazing eyes running wild past the stocks and over stiles. Kiss the window, merry child, coming by my toys, coming by my toys, coming by my toys. You watch your father plow the fields with a
Was crying by the end. Was inspired all over again. You know, Rocky stands the test of time. A lot of that other stuff I remember fondly. Like, have you guys ever watched Magnum P.I. as a grown-up? Hikes, is that stupid? It's like, why was this popular? Even Seinfeld. Seinfeld doesn't seem that long ago. But you watch it now and it's like, it's pretty bad. It's not funny. There's a laugh track. It's real. You'd have to be from the 90s to really appreciate it. But some stuff stays as good as one of the first time you saw it. Paul Stanley's solo album is like that. But what? Yeah, I know I bring up Kiss every time. Benashi, birds. Watch your father plow the fields with a ram's horn, and sowed it white with peppercorn, unfurled with a bramble thorn. Now your watching's over, you must play with girls and boys. Leave the parsley on the stool, but coming by my toys, coming by my toys, coming by my my toys, coming by my toys. Young birds, you shall. That's not racist. You are birds. Bird isn't a race. It's a species. Yeah. Well, why don't you go back where you came from? No. I'm going to go in. See what I was going to put out my tobacco and stuff, but yeah. I kind of miss my old lady. I want to know what Natasha's doing right now. Boop, 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 boop. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. BOOZHOO! Hey, sweetie. Well, hi, NANABOOZHOO. What are you doing? I'm out here in the woods with BOOZHOO crew, talking about nothing. Oh, you ready to come in? Yeah, could you pick me up? You got it. Hang on, I'm going to scan for your coordinates, okay? All right. It might tickle. Nah, get out of here. And that's 1 to teleport. Make it so, number 1. Nah. Hey, baby doll. Oh, hi. How you doing? I'm doing great. Oh, wow, you look cute. Oh, get out of here. Ladies and gentlemen, the lovely... You shall own a cambric shirt. You shall work your father's land. But now you will play in the market square until you become a man. Coming by my toys, coming by my toys, my toys, coming by my toys. Michael Lyons.
Get out of here.
I think that's an old
Ladies and gentlemen, the lovely and talented Natasha. Bonjour, Gakita Awia. Hello, everybody. Oh, look over here. If it isn't the string bean. Hey. Rockstar cartoonist Michael Lyons. Ikadon BOOZHOO Niji. Say hello, buddy. Hey, everybody. Welcome to the show. And today, on BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. Sweetie, you gotta call it line 2. Oh, really? Yeah. All right. Hello, caller. Welcome to the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast. You're on the air. Hello, NANABOOZHOO. It's me, Tonto. Johnny Depp? I would prefer it if you used my Indian name, Tonto. Hey, how you doing, Tonto? Well, hi, Tonto. Hello, Natasha. How are you? I'm doing pretty good. How are you? My heart, it soars like an eagle. Awesome. So what's going on? Well, I wanted to learn.
Oh, it's really pretty out here.
Yeah, huh?
I better keep my eyes on the road. The roads, whoa. Roads are kind of slick.
I'll say.
I don't want to be running up that road. Don't want to be sliding around that hill.
It doesn't hurt me. Do you want to feel how it feels? Do you want to know that it doesn't hurt me? Do you want to hear about the deal I'm making? It's you and me. If only could, I'd make a deal with God, and I'd get up to swap our places. Be running up that road, be running up that hill, be running up that building. Say if only could. You don't wanna hurt me, but see how deep the bullet lies. Unaware I'm tearing you asunder. There is thunder in our hearts. Is there so much hate for the ones we love? Tell me we both matter, don't we? You. It's you and me. It's you and me.
Awesome. So what's going on? Well, I wanted to learn the Ojibwe word of the day. For you see, I have decided to walk the path of the true human being. I am walking the red road. Hey, that's awesome. You finally quit drinking? No. Oh, I enjoy drinking fire water every day and snorting cocaine. So how are you going to walk the red road and live a good life if you're a alcoholic and a drug addict? Well, if I learn the Ojibwe language and I pray to the Creator, then I will indeed find my true path. All right, fair enough.
If only could, I'd make a deal with God, and I'd get up to swap our places. Be running up that road, be running up that hill, be running up that building. Say if only could. on, darling. Let me steal this moment from you now. Come on, angel. Come on, darling. Let's exchange the experience. Swap our places and running up that road, be running up that hill, that will take. Say if I could, if only could. No problem.
Oh, look out, sweetie. I think I see a light at the end of the tunnel.
Yeah.
I see the light at the end of the
Oh, here it
tunnel.
comes.
We're gonna make it after all.
I was wondering.
Oh, and if only could. You want to play a car game or something?
I don't know.
Okay,
Not
maybe I'll just watch the road. Oh, it's really pretty out here, though.
Yeah, huh? It's beautiful.
We could do a show just from the car.
Yeah, huh?
Yeah. I've never heard it pronounced quite so cool, but yeah. You know, you've taught me so much, NANABOOZHOO. I am truly in your debt. Well, if you really feel that way, you can become a Patreon subscriber. I do not have the white man's money any longer. What? Yes. I spent it all up on wine. Shut up. If you want to become a subscriber to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, click the link in our description box. $25 a month. I'll send you a coffee cup, and you can drink wine out of that.
You serious?
Yes, I'm serious. J. Jonah Jameson. I know. Well, I will indeed become a Patreon member, for I want to walk the red road. Yeah, if you really want to walk the red road, here's my advice. Sign up on Patreon. You've given me so much to think about, NANABOOZHOO. But I must go. How can I say goodbye in Ojibwe? Well, you know, we don't really say goodbye, Tonto. We say, Gigawabamin, Minowa. Gigawabamin, Minowa. I will see you again, NANABOOZHOO. Gigawabamin, Minowa, Tonto. And Gigawabamin, Minowa.
Natasha. Welcome to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture too. I'm happy to be here with you today. To speak Ojibwe. Wayndom G-A-I on Homanungun in English means I'm happy to be here today. That's all I wanted to say in Welcome back to the show.
BOOZHOO!
Welcome back to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO,
The podcast
about Ojibwe language
and culture. I am Natasha. This is NANABOOZHOO. Welcome back to the show.
And the road is closed, still the cars pull in. Now the day is young, so we begin again. And I shut my eyes to what might be, a cool recess beneath these old pine trees. And I don't remember where I've been. Oh yeah, my past dissipates like snow on skin. It's cold outside. Let me in. Our past dissipates like snow on skin. Snow on skin. Oh, yeah. From what I've seen, nothing's meant to last, but I can't move forward, and I'm living in the past. But I've come so far, and I've run so fast. How long do I have, and how long can I last?
Sweetheart.
BOOZHOO! And welcome to Celebrity News on BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. My name is Natasha, and what? Nothing. Today is important in celebrity news. Home sweet home. I don't know who this is. Gisela Bündchen. Gisela Bündchen, sweetie. Oh yeah, that's that one lady. Gisela Bundchen visits new Miami mansion. Still under construction following Tom Brady split. Oh, is Tom Brady a football player?
Yeah, I think so. I think they got a divorce.
Oh, okay. The Brazilian supermodel quietly made the real estate purchase before the former couple announced their divorce in 2022. Oh, they divorced in 2022. Nobody's in love anymore. Yeesh. What happened to Elaine?
I don't think that's Elaine.
That's not Elaine from Seinfeld?
No, that's somebody else.
And I last, I don't remember where I've been.
Oh, yeah.
My past dissipates like snow on skin.
Oh, yeah.
It's cold outside. Can you let me in? Our past dissipates like snow on skin. Snow on and on and on and on. Again and again, my friend, again and
Bad Blood, Bethany Oh, it's Bethany Frankel. Bethany Frankel pitched a show to Bravo just months before calling it grotesque and depraved for treatment of reality stars. It was grotesque and depraved. You got to treat your reality stars better than that. They might grow up to be president. Catherine McPhee keeps a low profile at airport following nanny's sudden death. All right. Billie Eilish gives update on relationship with Jesse Rutherford following split. Oh no! They seem so good together. Busty display. Oh, here we go. A busty display. Sofia Vergara. I don't know who any of these people are. Sofia Vergara. Oh, I know who this is. Shows Joe Manganiello what he's missing at sister's birthday. How is this news?
I don't know.
I mean, who cares? Look, a 50-year-old's boobs. All right. And finally, Bethany Frankel. Ring off Joe Manteladich's wedding ring and first sighting since Sofia Vergara. Oh, they're divorced. Sweetie, they're divorced. I don't know. I mean, what hell? If celebrities can't stay together, what hope do any of us? Are we going to divorce?
We're not even married.
All right. Are we going to break up?
Oh, probably.
No, my heart breaks. Well, there you go, kids. And this has been your celebrity news. Back to you, NANABOOZHOO.
Okay, thank you, sweetie.
Don't go away. I'm begging you to stay. 'Cause I'm gonna miss your love. Please don't go. Oh, really? Why? Because I'm gonna miss your love. The minute you walk out that door. But I gotta go to work, honey. No, I'm gonna miss your love the minute you walk out that door. Hey, everybody.
Okay.
Won't you consider becoming a patron?
That's
Patron?
No, that's not right.
Patron.
Yeah.
I can't even say it. Please become a patron saint and support BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. Click the links in the description to our Patreon page. And if you become a $25 a month BOOZHOO crew member, it's an exclusive club. It's going to cost you some junia, some money. No. You'll get a coffee cup.
Oh.
You can put your black medicine water in there. Muckade mush kiki wabu. Muckade mush kiki. See, you're already learning Ojibwe.
Okay, BOOZHOO. Mino Gika Jeb. Good morning. Hello, good morning. Welcome to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is NANABOOZHOO. And today we call today Ishkwa Anima E Gijagut. After prayer day. Ishkwa Anima E Gijagut. Monday in Ojibwe, we didn't really have a word called Monday back in the days of the grandfathers. But after, the English speakers moved in, they asked us, oh, what do you call that day, after, the day we all went to church? Oh, you mean prayer day? I don't know, well, this just after prayer day, or Monday. Ishkwa, anima e gijagut. Ishkwa, after. Anima e, prayer. Gijagut. So since it's after prayer day, I thought it'd be a good day to pray. Or maybe even tell a story. They call me a Arazuke Winini. Arazuke Winini. And Arazuke Winini is a storyteller. Or I guess directly translated, it's a story man. But I'm a storyteller. And today, I want to tell the story. Maybe you've heard about him. About a man called Jesus. Some people called him Yeshua. I always found it kind of strange. We're not really sure what his name is. But he called himself the Son of Man. But then they called him the Son of God. And he talked about God, Gitchimanadu, the Great Spirit, as though he was his father. And he also said that Gitchimanadu was our father. So this is the story. What they called a Sermon on the Mount. You see, back in the days of the grandfathers, Jesus walked around with these 12 guys. They called them the disciples after a while. And he was always going around chasing out bad spirits, healing people, teaching the good word, spreading the news of, hey, guess what? Our Father who art in heaven, everything's going to be okay, but you got to straighten up, be good. And, people have had a lot of crazy ideas about what he meant by that. We don't need to get into all that. But there came a day when finally, he's always telling his friends and the people he met on the road, say, hey, don't forget to pray to your Father. And finally, one of the days, one of his disciples came up to me and said, excuse me, Jesus, you're always telling us to pray, but what if we don't know how to pray?
It's kind of embarrassing to admit, but we're following you and acting all important in that, but we don't even know how to pray. And Jesus, he's like, hey, listen, I'm going to tell you how to pray. If you don't know how to pray, this is just a good prayer. This is a prayer that they'll call the Lord's Prayer, because he's the Lord, right? And he brought him up on a mount, whatever that is, a mountain, a hillside, I don't know. And he told him this prayer. So I'd like to say the Lord's Prayer in Ojibwe. And I'm going to offer a little tobacco to get you manadu before I pray. BOOZHOO get you manadu. Utapanan niwi asema. Hello, Great Spirit, accept my tobacco. And now this is the Lord's Prayer in Ojibwe. Nusana wakwing abian, our Father who is in heaven. Apigish, kichitwa wendemig, kidanu zoin. May your name be hallowed. Apigish, bidug wishanu magak, kidanu gimawiwen. May your kingdom come. Apigish, ijiwe bak dibishku wakwing biko. May your will be done. Gaye king on earth. Miko gaye ishpaming, as it is in heaven. Majishanang nuko agi shakak, nimbakweji ganimana, minike yoyang. Give us today our daily bread. Bunigade tawishanang gaye gaiji nish ki hinangi. Forgive us for how we offended you. Kego gaye iji wishanang kange. Kagwe dibanange winning. Do not lead us into temptation. Dash inama wishananang maya nadak, and keep us from what is evil. Apeyenge. Amen. And this has been the Lord's Prayer in Ojibwe. To learn more about what is really part of our culture, I don't know when people started to decide, oh, that's not traditional. That's not part of the Anishinaabe tradition to be talking about Jesus. Mm-mm. From the first time our grandfathers heard about Jesus, we picked that right up. Just ask your grandma and your grandma's grandma. Ask them who their Lord was. 9 out of 10 Anishinaabe people are going to say Jesus. Problem is, there are a lot of college people and people who talk about Indians who don't really know Indians, and they think, oh no, the true Indian doesn't believe in Jesus. Mm-mm. That's not true. Jesus is our way also. Anyway. Now listen to me. I'm preaching on the mount. Nah, I better go back in. Go see what that old Natasha's up to. Boop, 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 boop. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. BOOZHOO! Hi, sweetie. Hi, NANABOOZHOO. Are you ready to come in? Yeah, sure am. Okay, hang on. Let me scan for your coordinates. Okay. All right, lock it in. Okay. And that's 1 to teleport. Make it so, number 1. No.
took my love and I took it down. I climbed a mountain and I turned around, and then I saw my reflection in the snow-covered hills, till the landslide brought me down. Whoa, mirror in the sky, what is love? Can a child within my heart rise above? And can I sail through the changing ocean tide? Can I sail through the changes in my life? I don't know. I don't know. Well, I've been afraid of changing, 'cause I've built my life around you. And time makes you bolder, even children get older, and I'm getting older too. Oh, I'm getting older too. So take this love, take it down. You climb a mountain and you turn around, and if you see my reflection in the snow-covered hills, the landslide will bring it down, down. And if you see my reflection in the snow-covered hills, the landslide will bring us down, down. Oh, the landslide will bring us down. Don't go away.
Actually, my Uncle Vernon once hit an eagle.
Really?
Yeah, I thought that was a bad sign. Killed a bald eagle. He was driving down the road. Smacked right in the windshield. Just Robin says, I like crows. You can teach them to talk. Yeah, my dad said he had a talking crow when he was a kid. They're like parrots. You can teach them words, which is amazing. And then my Uncle Vernon and Aunt Tammy had a crow for a couple of summers there. It was a wild crow that just sort of domesticated by feeding him. This is the kind of family I grew up in. But then people wouldn't want to go up to their house because every time you go up there, there'd be this crow would want to... Well, this crow would come and land on their shoulder and stuff, and you could feed him. And he left for the winter, and the next year he came back. And he loved Vern and Tammy, and they'd feed him and stuff. But for the rest of us, it was just a wild bird trying to land on our heads. Like, get that thing out of here. Creeped me out. Yeah. Dr. Evils is back. Bonjour, Dr. Evils. How are you? I've always wanted a crow, says Zagame. I had an auntie who used to have birds. And they live forever. I remember she was always trying to get rid of them. She'd be like, hey, do you want a bird? You can have this one here. I'll give you the cake. I mean, she had like 3 of them. And it was always loud in her house. You know? Once it got away. It was like a parrot or something, I think. These domesticated birds in her house. Yeah, pets are weird. They can be just about anything. Huh, sweetie? Yeah. So, that was my story. And I'm sticking to it, sweetie. Yeah, huh? Did you want to get up here and say hello to the crew? Sure. I'm going to let Natasha get up here and Ikadon Boozhoo and say hello. But first, here's a message from... Oh, here's another thing about honesty. Honesty in 7 Anishinaabe values is represented by Bigfoot. Sabe. Up next, Natasha will be up after these messages from Sabe. Miigwech.
Bonjour. Ladies and gentlemen, if you would like to support the show, if you would like to support BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture, you can click in the links below. You can click the link to Patreon, to PayPal, to GoFundMe. And you can order Ojibwe language books by Michael Lyons by clicking the link to Amazon.com. But only if you believe. If you believe in Amazon.com. Many people say they've seen Amazon.com out here, Akuching. They say, oh, I've seen the footprints of Amazon.com. I do not know. I do not know. I'm not really into conspiracy theories. You know? I think if it were real, the mainstream media would tell us. That's what they do. That's their job. Who am I? I am Sabe. I am Sasquatch. I am Bigfoot. Goyakwa Diziwin. I am known for honesty and integrity. No, I don't know. Anyway, if you'd like to support the show, why don't you support the show already? You can click the link below. And now, miigwech, miigwech, miigwech. I tell you thank you 3 times. That means I really mean it.
Sabe. Sunny day, la 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 la. Hey everybody, how you doing? Natasha Nindishana Cause on his Chizuki Pun Kisha Good. It's a really snowy day. Sometimes chi, as in gitchi, they all say, oh, it means great. Chi mukaman, the great knife. But I like to think of chi meaning really. Oh, it's really snowy. Really? I think that might be a Minnesota thing too, huh?
The word really?
Just using the word really all the time. Oh, I really like that guy. Oh, I really love you. Oh, it's really snowing outside. But what are we talking about today? We're talking about Thursday. And we were talking about Gweakwatiziwin, honesty, and bravery. Is there a song with bravery in it?
There's gotta be.
Some say love's not lucky for the lucky and the strong. Just remember, in the winter,
Far beneath the bitter snow,
la-da-da, na-na-na-na, in Ojibwe, Ondag means crow. When the night... How over the top is that song?
Yeah, I know.
When the night has been too lonely.
hey da, hey da, hey da, ho. Way da, hey ya, hey ya, way da, hey ya, hey da, ho. Way da, hey ya, hey ya, way da, hey da, hey da, ho. Way da, hey ya, hey ya, way da, hey ya, hey da, ho. Way da, hey ya, hey ya, way da, hey da, hey da, ho.
BOOZHOO!
Hey, Natasha.
Oh, hi, Michael Lyons. What are you doing?
I was just sitting out by the lake. Made a little fire. I'm getting cold. I'm ready to come in.
Oh, you want me to pick you up?
Yeah, can you teleport me in?
Sure, hang on. Let me just scan for your coordinates. Nah. And that's 1 to teleport.
Make it so, Natasha.
Hey, there he is. Welcome home.
Oh, thanks.
So you're sitting outside?
Yeah, me and the boys are just talking about Kiss and stuff.
You know, speaking of which, guess who's been on hold?
Who's that?
Paul Stanley?
Of Kiss?
Oh, is there another one?
There actually is a Paul Stanley who's like a senator or some politician. Yeah, put him on the line.
Okay, I'm transferring you.
Hey, Paul Stanley. Welcome to the show. You're on the air. Is he on the air?
Oh, sorry, hang on. I think he's this one.
Hey there, Michael Lyons. Hey, Paul, how you doing? I'm doing all right. Just sitting around watching your show. And, you know, I think it's cool to hang out with the boys on a Saturday night. Because I feel uptight on a Saturday night. Oh, right, from Detroit Rock City. That's right. So what's your favorite Kiss song? My favorite Kiss song? I don't know. What's your favorite Kiss song? Well, I like Love Gun. You know, it's kind of like a poem, but it's a poem that I wrote about my love gun. What's a love gun? You know, I don't want to say it. You know, I only listened to the last Kiss album once. You got the last Kiss album, Monster? Yeah, I think it was called Monster. And that's what's weird. You know, it's like as an artist, I'm still interested in you as a artist kind of, and yet I can't get myself to give a shit about your new music. But I wrote it for the fans. Yeah, I know. I do like your singing on Soul Station. Soul Station's my other band, and we play the hits from the Motown era. Yeah, you did a really good job of Ooh Child. Ooh child, things are gonna get easier. Yeah, that was from the 5 stair steps. Something like that. Yeah. Do you remember that lead singer? Oh, he was so beautiful. I know. I wish I could play the video without getting a copyright strike. If you guys ever want to see like a truly beautiful woman, not what women have turned into. Women aren't beautiful like they used to be. No, they really aren't. Have you noticed that? Yes, it's true. But the lead singer of the 5 stair steps, I think they're called, is, I mean, I got a thing for women who sing at all. Like, I even think Aretha Franklin's beautiful when she sings Natural Woman. You know, that's such a beautiful song that you forget what a fat pig she really is. Exactly. But the lead singer of the 5 stair steps, the first time I saw her, I had to listen. I watched the video like 3 times in a row. I couldn't stop staring at her. She was so gorgeous. And you know who else was like that? And I hate to bring up her name because it's so sad. Sinead O'Connor? Exactly. Sinead O'Connor, the first time I ever saw her sing,
It was like my jaw dropped open. You couldn't, she was so beautiful in such a just ridiculous way that I'll never forget it. And now she's started her journey. Yeah, it's really sad. Yeah. I haven't heard what happened. Did you? No, I think we all kind of suspect the worst. Yeah. Anyway.
I don't know what your problem is. You don't know what my problem is? I'm just here to announce the show. Gene, every time I want to do something on my own, you gotta muscle your way in, and you know, this is my thing. I am on the Rockstar Cartoonist podcast. I don't need you anymore. Can't you see that? You don't need me, but we're Kiss. I know we're kids, but it's not like we're married or anything. I just want to announce this show on my own. Well, all right. Ooh, yeah. Well, all right. Hey, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Rockstar Cartoonist, the podcast about rock stars and cartoons. Gene! Never mind, I'm doing this. No, I want to do it. This is my thing. I'm telling you, I'm doing it. My name is Gene Simmons of Kiss. Ooh, yeah! And you're watching Rockstar Cartoonist. And I'm Paul Stanley of Kiss. Nobody cares. Oh, really? You don't think they care? Yeah, they care. Some of us care more than you know. What are you saying, Gene? I'm saying the thing I could never say before. What is it? I'm saying that I love you, Paul. You love me? But I'm married and I have 5 children. Yeah, so am I. That doesn't mean I don't love you. But I can't. You must. I can't. All right. Because that would be gay. I'm not gay. Come on. I just love you. Yeah, okay. Baby, baby. Ooh, baby, baby. Ooh, baby, baby. Ooh, baby, baby.
Thank you, Paul. That was great. Okay then. Ani Narashinabe dog. NANABOOZHOO. Oh, take 2. Take 2. Sorry. I can do this. All right. Boozhoo Narashinabe dog. NANABOOZHOO indigenous cause. Niemen Wangam Oma Noon Kum. Hello. My name is NANABOOZHOO, and I'm happy to be here today. Let's see, what do I want to say today? Okay, we're going to learn a new word, eh? And you know what that word is? Coffee. That's right. We're going to learn the Ojibwe word for coffee. So, it's a big word, but it was the first word my grandpa ever taught me. So here it goes. Makare mashkiki wabu. That's right. Makare mashkiki wabu. Hard to say? Not at all. You can sing a song about it. Eh? All right, check this out. Makare mashkiki wabu. Makare mashkiki wabu. Niwi eya. Niwi eya. Makare mashkiki wabu. Makare mashkiki wabu. Niwi eya. Makare mashkiki wabu. Makare mashkiki wabu. Niwi eya. Makare mashkiki wabu. That's right. Niwi eya. Makare mashki wapu. I need coffee. Okay, miigwech. There you have it. Igawaba, man. I'll see ya. Okay, bye. Boop.